Hello, what's up guys? I found my windshield blades all weird, so it needs a replacement. Now to do that one, what you have to do is you just pull it up and just press it backward so it comes out. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Let me do the other one. Just take the outer cover out, this one, then just pull it towards you so it comes off. Now let me quickly take out the new one that I have ordered from Amazon. So it comes in two sizes. One, the smaller one, which will go to the right side, and the other one, the longer arm. Now let me put the new one. So to do that one, it has a cover, so just put it out and just insert this hook over here. Yes, so like this, just put a hook. Yeah, I don't want it to stay, just lock it. That's it. Wow. And we have the white cover, the white portion, the outer portion. You just take it out, and if you just put it down, that's it. Yeah. Now let me put the other one. So now I have new windshield blades. Yay! Thank you.